Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to ZTE Nubia Flip tool. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app Code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it, and to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. In this window about new updates, click on whatever you want to, and then tap on your device's displays to continue. Now hit Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of ZTE. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a few just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close an ad, allow camera access, and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and then hit Receive button. Whatever you decided, just wait, and when your transfer is done, close an ad. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!